How does Python variable scoping works? This wants me to dig deeper in Python sources, but since there are many people on so that already done that, I would love to hear their pointers. It seems to me that when parser interprets a file, it automatically creates local scope for scope function, that makes OS detached from global scope. Is it true? Anyone care to point me where I can find more about scope implementation? Edit. Also, this is not special case of imports, this works for usual variables too.
When you call scope, Python sees that you have a local variable called os used inside your method, from the import inside scope, so this masks the global os. However, when you say print os, you haven't reached the line and executed the local import yet, so you see the error regarding reference before assignment. Here are a couple of other examples that might help. And going back to your os example, any assignment to os has the same effect. Finally, compare these two examples.
Lexical scoping is a common thing and most well-designed languages, whether interpreted or compiled, use it. I have not tried this in a while, but note the nifty global keyword, and its use below. Without the global line, the modification to O is localized, and print O prints 1. With the global O line included, it prints 2. We call this way that my function, without the global O, above would have its own variables. The global thing above is a way to specifically request an exception to the normal lexical scoping. True lexical scoping is something that Python 1.0 lacked, and which Python has had for a long time, since at least 1.6, if I remember correctly. There were only two scopes, local and global, and any intermediate scopes were inaccessible.
Any binding of a variable inside a function makes the variable local to that function. Import, def and class are all equivalent to assignment in this respect. So yes, when the compiler compiles your file, it creates a local variable os which is scoped separately from the global os. See the Python tutorial for more information. In particular, this URL, section 9.2.
Parsing.